If you're creating technical documentation in Confluence and want it to stand out, or just looking for a clearer way to share your software architecture, UML diagrams are an absolute game changer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and integrate professional UML diagrams into your Confluence pages using the most popular enterprise tools, Draw.io and Glyphy. Whether you're illustrating a class structure or mapping out your system workflow, these steps will make your documentation both visually appealing and easy to understand. Let's jump right in. When you're working within Confluence, the two biggest names you'll see for diagramming are Draw.io and Glyphy. Both are really robust and used by companies worldwide for everything from brainstorming to detailed technical modeling. Today we're going to focus on Glyphy because it's powerful, user-friendly, and especially well integrated with Confluence. To kick things off, start editing the Confluence page where you want your diagram to appear. Then simply type /Glyphy, that's /Glyphy, into the editor. This command is a great shortcut. It instantly brings up the Glyphy editor without having to hunt through menus or toolbars. If it's your first time, don't worry. Confluence will likely prompt you to install the Glyphy add-on or authorize access, and you'll be guided through those steps. Once the Glyphy editor is open, look over to the template library that pops up. It might feel a bit overwhelming, so many options, but just focus on the software design and UML category. Click into that and you'll find a range of pre-populated templates like class diagrams, activity diagrams, sequence diagrams, all those classic UML shapes and connectors. Choosing a template here gives you a fantastic head start, especially if you're not starting from scratch. The framework and symbol palette are right there, so you can just tweak what you need for your project. This saves you from the classic blank page syndrome. Having a starting point makes everything less intimidating. Now, here's something really exciting. Glyphy is introducing a new AI feature in 2025. Keep an eye out for a little sparkle icon, that's the AI prompt. Imagine describing your diagram in plain language, something like, generate a class diagram for an e-commerce system. Just type that into the prompt box. Glyphy's AI will read your description and build a UML diagram for you, placing classes, relationships, inheritance, and more automatically. It's almost like having a design assistant in your workspace, translating your concepts into visuals. Even if you're not an expert at drawing UML diagrams by hand, this tool can help take your notes and ideas right into diagram form with very little effort. If what the AI gives you isn't perfect on the first go, that's okay. You can always tweak and rearrange the elements afterward. Think of it as having a rough draft that's ready for polish. Every diagram you create is fully editable and resizable, and it lives right on your Confluence page, in line with the rest of your documentation. This means your collaborators can view, comment, or even make changes in real time. So beyond just looking great, your UML diagrams become a living part of your project's story, easy to update as things evolve. And that's it. You've just built a professional UML diagram inside Confluence, ready to clarify your ideas and wow your team. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions or requests in the comments below. I'm always happy to help, and make sure you subscribe for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.